Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna talk about F. Chanel. Who is Francisco Chanel Jose? Francisco Chanel Jose, born on December 3, 1924, died on January 6, 2022, was a highly accumulated Filipino writer, widely considered one of the most significant authors writing in English From the Philippines, he works explored themes of class struggle, colonialism, and social justice within Filipino society. He received numerous awards culminating in the prestigious title of National Artist of the Philippines for Literature 2021. Writings, career, and notable works. Jose's writing career spanned decades, encompassing novels, short story, essay, and journalism. He is best known for his Rosales Saga, a 5-novel series chronicling the century of Filipino history, series translated into numerous languages, offers a powerful depiction of complexities of Filipino society. Other notable works include The Pretenders, Past, and My Government Executioner. So, Money, the Rosales Saga novel. The 5-novel series considered in his magnum opus chronicles the lives of different generations of the Salson family in the town of Rosales, Pangasinan, and their struggle against the social justice. Rosales Saga novels, nara siya. Poon, Tree, My Brother, The Executioner, The Pretenders, and Mask. So, mao nila mga pictures. So, first that is Poon, internationally released as Das. Is a 1984 historical novel by Francisco Chanel Jose. The final installment of his award-winning Rosales Saga served as a prequel to the series chronicling events in the late 19th century. Philippines during the Spanish colonial era and the Philippines Revolution set between 1880 and 1899. The novel begins with the execution of the Libertad. Ang buon is, mga siya, ang pinakauna ng release is Das. So, ibulihan siya. Tas, mga sa yung pinakauna na release sa Rosales Saga, which is kini ang pinakauna niya nga award. Second is The Tree. The novel follows an undead Ilocano boy growing up in Rosales, Pangasinan. During the 1950s, he witnessed the social inequalities and justice between the wealthy landlords and impoverished. The story explored themes of aggression, compassion, and searching for justice and order. Third is My Brother, My Executioner, a novel set during the Hong Rebellion in the Philippines, exploring the conflict between two half brothers, Luis and Vector, with contrasting ideologies. Luis, the illegitimate son of a wealthy landlord, enjoys a privileged life in the city, while Victor leads a communist insurgency against the ruling class, including his own brother. The Pretenders is a novel that explores the story of Antonio Saxon, a Filipino who struggles to find a place in society relating dignity and justice. And ang last is a part of the novel tells the story of Pepe Saxon, an elevate son who lives his village for Manila, grapples with poverty, identity, and finding meaning in life. Francisco Chanel Jose achievements, a 1980 Ramon Magsaysay Award for Journalism, Literature, and Creative Communication Arts. He received the National Artist Awards. So, kaniyang award is mo niya katong dito sa Rosales Saga, which is kakong 5 na novels. Thank you.